What's up, everybody? I'm Nick. Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today we're going to talk about who you need to call to fix your right appliance in your specific brand or manufacturer appliance. So first, we're going to use some detective skills and ask ourselves a few questions to see if we even need to call a repairman to begin with. So first, is there any small leaks or smells coming on? If you smell rotten eggs, you need to shut off your gas ASAP and let the fire department know or your local gas company know immediately. That can be something very serious. Second, listen to see if your appliance is even turning on, and if it is, what kind of noises is it making? From there, you can kind of decipher how big of a problem you're actually having. Now, this might seem silly, but if your appliance isn't turning on, the first place you got to check is your outlet. Is it plugged in properly? Is the outlet need to be reset? Is your circuit breaker been flipped? So check that first, and then we'll go on to the next steps from there. All right, after that, and it's still not powering on, let's take some photos of either the leaks that are happening or some videos of it not turning on or of the noises it's making when it's going into a certain mode. This will help deduct any reasoning to why it's doing that and help show off to the repairman himself, or if you go and try to do some research on by yourself using the internet and the tools from the internet. And these tools can be actually very helpful on the internet, such as Google, YouTube, and one that I really like to use is Reddit, and more specifically the subreddit Appliance Repair. It's a great tool. You can go ahead and post your photos and videos into that subreddit, and this is a network of hundreds, if not thousands, of repair people from across the world that can help diagnose or at least send you in the right direction to find the right help to get your appliance working properly again. So once you have some photos and videos, maybe it's a good time to check your warranty. Now, if you know for sure this is an older appliance, your warranty is scratched, then maybe not even have to call the customer service line for your brand of appliance. But if it's a newer one and it's having issues, definitely give your customer service rep a call and see what they can do for you, whether it's sending you parts or sending out a repair person that they work with or suggesting someone to work with for you if your warranty is past due. All right, so you haven't found a quality answer, or maybe the repair is beyond your self-repair skills. So now you definitely have to call a repair person. Where do you look? There's some good tools. Again, Google has a nice rating system, especially if it's nearby in your area. Yelp is another good one. Angie's List is also a good one as well. But the most important thing you need to remember is, does this repair company work on my brand appliance? So what you want to do is either call your manufacturer and see if they have a recommendation, or make sure when you type in your search, you're typing in the appliance manufacturer's name into the search, and that should help narrow down the applicants that you can call. And remember, don't just go for the top one or the one that's promoted at the top. Go ahead and read some good reviews, read some bad reviews, and judge for yourself what might fit your needs in your home and your appliance. Some bad reviews are easily fixed or they're misunderstood, so be on the lookout for that as well. And there are some scams out there where people can buy good reviews. So if it sounds a little too cheesy or not in-depth enough, it's probably a bot. Those are some tips that you can look to use to help judge the right repair person for your job. If you need more information, leave us a comment below and we'll try to help you out as best as we can. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time on Appliance Educator.